If you go up here, you'll see that there are other pages you can customize within the theme editor. For this, we're going to take a look at the password page. The password page is a page that Shopify sets up for you. That way, if somebody finds your website before you're ready for it to go live, while you're still putting product and content together, you can have a coming soon page. So you can start to build excitement and customers know that there is something very exciting and relevant to them that's coming soon. You can also start to collect email addresses for your marketing, which is very important. For you, if you want your friends or maybe your employees to see the site while you're working on it, you can also enter using a password, which is found in the Shopify settings, and you can share that. But for regular customers, you don't want them to see your site yet because it's not ready. So up here where it says My Business, this pulls from your Shopify settings. If we go to the left, you see that this will have its own header that's different from the header on the rest of your site. So you can select an image. This can be your own image or a stock image. Oh, and that we really want to be our logo. And just like on the regular site, your logo replaces where it says My Business. And then you can change coming soon. But we'll just leave that. Now you want to take a look at the content. You can choose whether to show the newsletter content or not. I highly recommend showing the newsletter. That way people can sign up and you can start marketing to them. And you can edit all of this text, even the placeholder text. And you can say notify me or subscribe, whatever you'd like to say, and click save. And then going into the footer, you can choose whether or not to show your sharing buttons. I recommend leaving those. That way your customers can share it with others who might be interested. And you can customize this text as well. This right here will just bring you to the rest of the theme settings, so I recommend just leaving that as is. And always take a look at mobile just to make sure that it looks the way you want it to. And mobile will condense down for those smaller screens. And those are the settings that you can update on your password page.